It is the end of the road for our VW E-Up. This will be the first time in over 10 years that we won't have an Up in the family. I have a grey one, which I drove to the North Cape, owned by Vachttechniek. I had a black one, we drove it all over Europe. We drove it to Sicily. We had a blast in it. Then I had a blue one, which was the TSI 140 horsepower. In the past 2.5 years we had this E-Up. Perfect car, didn't do anything wrong. But now it's time to trade her in. The i3 isn't going anywhere. I absolutely adored the dashboard with the climate controls and the seat heater. Tremendous car, perfect car. Now someone else can enjoy it. Bye bye VW E-Up. You were the start of this channel, but now it's onwards and upwards. Good morning everyone. Here it is, my new car. I bought an Alpine A290 GT and I'm over the moon with it. And in this video I'm going to show you how filthy a car can get in one day. The spec I went for is Alpine Blue Vision with a blue vision roof, a blue stripe, the French flags, and I have the blue logo on the steering wheel. But the most important thing to me was the DVLA audio system. I had the choice between a GT or a GT Performance. I wanted a car that was that could be delivered quickly. I chose in the end for the GT instead of the GT Performance because the extra power would have been nice, but it didn't have the DVLA audio system, and I thought that was really a must-have. Having driven it now for 300 kilometers, I'm very happy with my choice. 180 horsepower is plenty and it's still very much fun to drive, and I love the wheels on this GT version. The inside is a combination of cloth and faux leather. I really love the way it looks. The blue steering wheel with the recharge knobs. And of course the overtake button. It has the Google system in it, which works perfectly. Nice lights and the DVLA audio system. Space is good for its size. It's plenty. Got the nice rearview mirror. I'm so happy with my new car. Look at this thing, it's tremendous. So this will be the place where a lot of new films will be made and the place where I will make a lot of kilometers. And I cannot wait to start the adventure. I was counting on it. We're taking it to Spain in December and we just might hit 7,500 kilometers before the year ends. So it's got its work cut out for it. But that's where a car's for. The only thing I still don't understand, Alpine, why isn't there a cup holder? If you just would have done like a BMW 6 Series where you could plug one in, then we would have had a cup holder. I have seen that there's a 3D print over here. I have tried sticking on one of those clicky things over there, but then there will be a cup of hot coffee right around here next to the screen and next to a bunch of electronics. I don't like that very much, so no thank you. And yeah, it's still early days. It's pretty new. Really like the headliner with all the bulbs in it. I absolutely adored the Renault 5, but it just wasn't good enough for me. And it just wasn't quick enough and didn't feel special enough. And the Alpine A290 delivers that in spades. I absolutely adore it. So the cat is out of the bag. This is my new car. I picked it up at Alpine Store Soesdijk. Job was my salesman and he did a tremendous job. He was perfect every step of the way. I can wholeheartedly recommend him. And if you need one, go to Soest, because they're nice people, great service, and yeah, it was a pleasure doing business. And man, just look at this. It is so cool. When you put it in sport, the lighting change. My daughter asked me to make it purple, so of course you're going to do that. And these numbers are completely alien to me. 78% state of charge and 228 kilometers of range. This is what I need. I made some movies and pictures when I picked the car up. I'll show them now because it was so nice and clean, and I already made peace with it. That would be the last time it would be this clean. So, yeah. My new car. This is it. I will make a lot more movies with it. Do top speed runs, do trip, do updates, do everything. Track days even. But this is my new car. Let me know in the comments what you think. It has the A2, it has the Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires with the A29 code. That means that these tires are specifically built for the Alpine A290. Big brakes up front. And just look at these lights. They are so cool. I absolutely adore them. Just look at this thing. It's a cool car. It makes all these funky noises when you walk toward it or step away from it. It's just a cool thing. I really like the blue. I don't like the tinted windows. If anyone works at Renault and can deliver 3 windows to me, please let me know. I will swap them out for base Renault 5 windows immediately. Ah, these wheels are so cool. Winter wheels coming up very quickly. Just look at how wide it is. Oh, so cool. And it has a ducktail spoiler. And cars with ducktail spoilers are cooler. The 290 GT has the lettering in silver, which I really like. I don't like the black. It's just, what a magnificent little beast. I'm going to drive it some more. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next movie. Bye from a very, very happy new Alpine A290 owner.